Is there a ninth planet in the solar system? And no, we are not talking about the Pluto. Two researchers think yes. Now in their research for Planet 9, they have made a potentially crucial step. According to official statistics, there are currently 8 planets in our solar system, excluding Pluto. This is partly due to astronomer Michael E. Brown in Pasadena, who was partly responsible for the fact that Pluto revoked planet status in 2006. But a few years ago in 2016, Brown assumed there was still a ninth planet in the solar system. According to calculation at the time, it is said that the mass of this planet 9 is 10 times the mass of the Earth, that is 20 times farther from Sun than Neptune, and it takes 10,000 to 20,000 years for one orbit around the Sun. If Planet 9 does exist, it's probably very cold gas giant like Neptune rather than a rocky planet like Earth. Now Brown and Batty-Jean have another research project on Planet 9. Batty-Jean and Brown also published a sky map showing what the most likely orbit of unknown planet looks like and where it is currently most likely located. If Planet 9 weighed about 3.6 Earth masses, the planet would orbit the Sun at a distance of 300 to 450 astronomical units. The astronomical unit measures about 150 million kilometers, the average distance between the Sun and the Earth. On the other hand, if Planet 9 were only 2.2 Earth masses heavy, it could get very close to Sun at a distance of 85 astronomical units. Unfortunately, the data only tells where the orbital path and not where the planet is in its path. However, the planet is likely to be at its farthest from the Sun because it is moving there very slowly. If Planet 9 does exist, how quickly you can find it depends on its brightness and the size. It could be the brighter variant has already been taken from various sky surveys, the researchers wrote in their study. To discover the darker variant, you must specifically search for it with 8 to 10 meter telescopes. Pluto Brown does not believe in the theory that a celestial body, the gravity of which affects the outer solar system, is primordial black hole. Brown wrote on Twitter that he thought the theory was ridiculous and it was funny. However, the new study does not refute the black hole theory. We can only measure mass. It could be a 6th terrestrial black hole, but it really isn't, says Brown. So what do you think? Does the ninth planet or the planet X exist? Can it be a planet or a big asteroid?